it must have a place for every Afghan. It must have a space for everyone's aspiration. And it must be a nation where every citizen is secure of his rights and confident about her future. And as Afghans take responsibility for their future, the world must stand with them in solidarity and support. We must do that for the soldier from a foreign land who laid down his life in an Afghan village that he had never heard of, and for a people he had never known, and for the enormous sacrifices that Afghans have made for a life that others take for granted. We must support Afghanistan without timelines, because new clouds of extremism and terrorism are rising. Even as the old ones continues to darken our skies, and because Afghans are not only fighting for their future, but are standing up for all of us and a safer world. The world will be a better place when we can experience the real wealth of Afghan people in their diversity and rich heritage. It is time for all Afghans, everyone in the region and the rest of the world to come together. The sacrifices must not go in vain. The flame of hope should not die. No girl that steps into the world should slip into darkness of denied opportunities. No son should face the choice of gun or refugee in distant land. No mother should fear bringing a child into this world. No leader should lose a brother because he spoke for Afghan freedom to choose friends. No one kneeling in prayer in a mosque should be killed in the name of religion. No elder should look back on his youth wasted in conflict and see the same future for his grandchildren. Every youth in Afghanistan should see a future in which IT stands for information technology, not international terrorism. I repeat, every youth in Afghanistan should see a future in which IT stands for information technology, not international terrorism. For the promise and the opportunities of the 21st century belong to Afghan youth as much as anyone else in the world. For India, this is a deeply held commitment. Your suffering is our pain. Your dreams are our duty. Your strength is our belief. Your courage is our inspiration.